Three questions that every homeowner ends up asking and is so hard to get a straight answer. So let's go. The amount of backyard that you need in order to install a pool really is a little bit dependent on what your goals for the pool are. Are you looking for something small just to soak in, or are you throwing major 30-person bashes at your house? The real constraints of a backyard and a pool are going to come down to the city that you live and the setbacks that they require. Some cities require as little as 2 feet from property wall to water. Others require a minimum of 5 feet. Windows can be another constraint. So if you don't want to replace the window glass with safety glass, we're going to need to maintain 5 feet from windows to water. These are kind of the invisible barriers that we can't see by just looking in the backyard. A lot of people start with a budget in mind. Maybe they talk to a neighbor and how much their pool costs. Maybe they saw an advertisement online and what pools are going for in a particular pool package, and then are surprised at the end price. It can be really the scope of your project versus a neighbor's, or what is included in a pool package. Meaning, maybe you already have some landscaping in your backyard that will need to first be torn out, and then we build the pool, and then you've got to make it look nice after the project. There's a pool price, and then there's a project price. They're leaving out a lot of really necessary items, such as barriers to be compliant with your city. They can be leaving out things like landscape restoration in the front yard, permit costs, because those are different from city to city. This is a really interesting question, actually, because it kind of depends on the real question that you're asking. Here in Arizona, the concrete pool market is saturated with builders, and it drives the price down. One thing to keep in mind is the ongoing costs beyond the build. So with a concrete pool, you will eventually need to chip out that interior finish and reapply it. Now with a fiberglass pool, you get less customization. However, you never have to replace that interior finish. Now with a fiberglass pool, you'll use less chemicals by about 30% than a concrete pool. When looking at the best pool for the money, I'm always going to suggest the one that fits your budget.